Hey, I just wanted to share with you what the value of a customer relationship management software. So, what is a CRM? A CRM is a software that is designed to automate certain processes. So, for example, if somebody calls your law firm today at 2 a.m., what's going to happen at 2? The chances, if you have an intake specialist or if you call the client, it's not going to be to the next morning. And we know a lot of these leads, they're gone if you don't get in touch with them within really minutes. So, what is the best process for doing this? But a CRM basically works in your sleep. So, for example, you set up what's called a nurture campaign. A nurture campaign is an automated email response that is sent to someone upon a trigger. So the trigger would be they fill out a chat form on your website, or let's say it's Engage Live Chat, and that automates or triggers the CRM. So you'd have a campaign, and your campaign could consist of a number of things, but it could be a welcome video where you welcome the person, you explain the process that you have for evaluating your case and who's going to contact them so they know what to expect every step. The second step of your CRM might be an email to them with a digital copy of your book, or a video email explaining the whole process of a lawsuit, how it happens. The more questions that you can answer, the less work you'll have to do when they call your law firm. And more importantly, what this does is it establishes some touch points with your client, so they feel like they haven't been neglected. So another important point here is that you can customize the nurture campaign emails so that they are relevant to the nature of the inquiry. For example, let's say somebody calls with a case involving a delay of diagnosis of cancer. Instead of sending a spammy email that just basically is generic and doesn't really provide valuable information, you could go through the process with your CRM, would tag the keywords in the person's question. So whatever that person puts in the keywords on your website or your chat box, your CRM would trigger a nurture campaign that's relevant to the nature of that inquiry. So, for example, their father died of a delay in diagnosis of prostate cancer. You could trigger an email response that's relevant to a delay in cancer. So, for example, hey, I just want to thank you and my condolences to you on the death of your family member from prostate cancer. And our process for evaluating prostate cancer is based upon the following. So instead of just getting a spammy email that they're going to hate, they're getting an email that is relevant to the nature of their inquiry. And so that is a very cool way of responding in a way that grabs their attention, provides meaningful educational advice, and keeps them interested in your law firm. And then the next step is, let's say all these leads that you gather on your CRM, everyone who contacts you, their data is stored, name, address, and email. It's all there. And then for all the leads that you decline, the CRM can automate a process where during periodic touch points, you're touching base with them. So, for example, the delay in diagnosis of cancer case, you could provide more information about that. So, for example, I'm sorry that we couldn't handle your case. You can send a video email like this. Sorry we couldn't handle your case, but I just want you to know that if you would like, we're sending a link to you to the New York State Department of Health, and you can fill out a complaint form for filing a complaint with the Department of Health, and let us know if we can help you in any other way. Please feel free to call us. So something short, sweet, and simple. You create these automated emails with video, and then all of a sudden, you're not only touching point base with the prospective clients who reach out to you, but you're also doing it to nurture leads that you've already declined. What this means is that these clients will not forget about you because you're taking the time to sort of educate them with the information that they saw in the first place. So that is the value of a CRM. We use Infusionsoft. I'm a raving fan. It costs $214 a month, best use of money. We process e-commerce payments for book sales. Our events are all run through Infusionsoft, where we process registrations and payments. It's just an invaluable part of our practice. So I would highly recommend Infusionsoft. And if it is really hard. So the little caveat is it's very hard to sort of figure out the technology of Infusionsoft. So I outsourced that to a phenomenal team, Brett Farr and Morgan Henson at Blick Digital. So Brett and Morgan are phenomenal, and you just tell them what they do, and they can do all the technology work to create nurture campaigns for your law firm. So that's it for today. If you like the video, please leave a comment. I'd really appreciate that, and I will respond to it. And today is Happy Easter, so happy Passover, happy Easter, and I will look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Thank you. Bye-bye.